Do you know that creators who use SEO strategies see 500% increase in engagement? Now, if that sounds like something you're interested in, stick around and I'll share some insider tips that will help your channel shine in the vast universe of YouTube. Don't forget to hit that like button and let's get into it. Hey there, creators! Welcome back to Social Media Mastery with Oluwafumlayo. Today, we're diving into something that's a total game changer if you're a small YouTuber looking to grow your audience. Yes, you guessed it. We're talking about SEO, also known as Search Engine Optimization. First things first, what exactly is SEO? Well, simply put, SEO is the magic that helps content be more discoverable online. And it is important because it helps to make sure your videos get seen by the people who are most likely to love what you're creating. Step one on our SEO journey is keyword research. This is all about understanding what potential viewers are searching for. A great place to start is with the YouTube research bar itself. Just type a few words related to your video topic and see what auto suggestions pop up. These are real search terms people are using. Find the right keywords to rank higher in YouTube search results. You can also use tools like Google Keyword Planner or TubeBuddy to find relevant keywords, analyze competition, and so on. Next, let's talk about titles, which is the first impression of your video. Your title should be catchy yet informative, and most importantly, include your target keyword right at the start. For example, instead of a title like Fun Vlog of My Day, try something more optimized like Day in the Life Vlog, exploring Lagos on a budget. It is specific, intriguing, and SEO friendly. Pair that title with a compelling, eye catching thumbnail that attracts clicks. Your thumbnail should contain high contrast colors, include text overlays, and should be relevant to your content. Are your dynamic duo that convince viewers to click on your video amidst the sea of content? Now, onto your video description and tags. Start with your main keyword, then add variations and related terms. Think broad and specific here. Include target keywords, summarize your content, and use 5 to 10 relevant tags. Keep in mind that your tags tell YouTube's algorithm exactly what your content is about. So use this real estate wisely. Step 4, engagement and sharing. SEO isn't just about algorithm, it's also about interaction. Encourage your viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. It makes a huge difference. Plus, engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask questions in your videos, and build a community. And don't forget to share your video everywhere. Last but not least, track and adapt. Use YouTube analytics to understand how your videos are performing. Look at metrics like watch time, click through rate, and audience retention. If something isn't working for you, don't be afraid to adjust your strategy. And there you have it, creators. These are the top SEO strategies to boost your small YouTube channel. Remember, growth doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort and with these tips up your sleeve, you're on a path to success. If you found this video helpful, share your favorite SEO strategy in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, happy creating. Bye bye.